Wow, what a drama, what a drama. I mean, some they blame Thandeka, some they say Thandeka this, Thandeka that. I'm really confused because some of us or some of you guys says, no, there's no drama. The housemates are boring. We need sparks. We need drama. We need entertainment. And I mean, Thandeka gave us, with Liema. I'm not sure what happened, where it started, because we went break. They went to the break, and then boom, there was a fight. And then now people they say that and this, but I mean, what they gave us, is that what we want? I mean, to those who blame Thandeka, it is what it is. To those who pick up Liema to protect it, some of the housemaid, it is what it is, man. But I don't know, but I feel shame for Meli. Yeah. Let us know, man. Do you think Thandeka is wrong? Do you think Thandeka is really, really like a bully in a house? Let us be honest with your answer or your opinion. But I think the game is just started. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.